Om Swastiastu, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Shalom, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. In this video, I will explain about fabrication and finishing of metal products. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Kevin Elkana Silitonga with name 23055311073 from Metallurgy Class C. This course is taught by Prof. Dr. Joko Raghunath Tirta Nindya ST MT. My reference, the book Metallurgy for the Non-Metallurgists, 2nd edition, edited by Arthur Siriardon. Hence, 1. Deformation process, 2. Primary production mills, 3. Forgings, 4. Drawing and extrusions, 5. Farming, 6. Powder metallurgy, 7. Material removal process, 8. Joining process. Fabrication and finishing of metal products that are subjected to mechanical reduction operations subsequent to casting and solidification are referred to as work products. The possibilities range from high volume mill production in the figure below to the manufacture of complex parts by powder metallurgy in the figure below, or the joining of tin foil by ultrasonic welding in figure below. Deformation process. In metallurgy, working process and workpiece such as billet or blank sheets, for example, can be plastically deformed by a set of tools or dies. To obtain the shards, final techniques, and geometrical configuration, metal forming process can be classified into general categories. 1. Bulk or massive forming operation. 2. Bending and sheet forming operation. The major distinction between bulk and sheet forming is the nature of the resulting deformation. Bulk forming operation typically involve multidirectional deformation to hold the volume of the work mass. In contrast to bulk forming, sheet forming typically involves local deformation. Given these differences, the response of metal during porosity deformation is also very different in bulk and sheet forming operation. In bulk forming operation, the ability to deform without fracture is expressed as workability. In sheet metalworking process, the limits of the formation are referred to as formability. Metal forming equipment. Metal forming is done with a large variety of mechanisms or equipment such as rolling mills for plate, strip, and shapes, mechanisms for travels, rolling for strip, rolling mechanism, lead rolling and surface rolling mechanism, magnetic and explosive forming mechanism, drum bands for tube and rod, wear arm rod drum mechanism for passing type operation of process. The significant characteristics, the compressible design and performance that pertain to the economic use of these mechanisms include characteristic for load and energy, time-related characteristic for accuracy. Hot and cold working. Metals can be mechanical work over areas of temperature. During cold working, the mobility of this collision is slowed by the become channeled up into the rocks and pile up the ground binders, the leads to transforming, which makes further deformation more difficult to achieve. In the picture below. Deformation process degrades in cold work materials as becomes soft, resulting in the primary direction of the deformation such as the rolling direction is in cold steps in the picture below. During hot working, the stand hardening effects in gravity reduces and the material for fresh remains narrowly contains with increasing amounts of deformation. The picture below. Under this bulk hot working condition, the disclosure in general, the plastic deformation are quickly displayed by recovery and restore mechanisms in which the old grades reform into smaller exquisite grades in the future below. Deformation process, recommending that hot working mechanism, however, is another phenomenon that can impact the microstructure and properties of hot working material, and the high temperatures associated with hot working, the impurity phase may also deform physically and become elongated, serving effectively as reinforcing big fibers in the future. Primary production methods. In primary production operation, the internal steps of metalworking involve the breakdown of a structure into a work from the starting material is usually either an ingot from static or stationary mold, casting or continuous cast slabs or billet. The next step is the mill process of blocks, bales, and slabs. They produce various products from such as plates, sheets, strip, and bar in the feature below. The method of today's work process is strong and much more harmonious, that is, uniform in grand structure that ingot stacks. Ingot breakdown. Many ingots continue to be stackily cast because not all various and various metals are capable of being continuously cast due to the relatively coarse and inherently weak microstructure. The temperature range over which ingot structure can be operated is very limited. Hot working is usually formed at temperatures greater than the derivatives of the absolute melting point of the alloy in the picture below. Ingots are worked sealed by following rolling instructions. Going refers to the exact deformation of a round section along its line using an appended forgings in the picture below. Rolling mesh. Rolling can be performed in production mill at various steps. The equipment is used in the first step of breaking down and is called a primary rolling mill, which is often massive in both sides in piston. During hot rolling, ingots or slabs are hit within average temperature range, and the surface torque at gap between two rolls that the running in opposite direction. Cold rolling of thin sheets and strip. The sheet and strip with high-quality surface can be produced by cold rolling production because we strip from the hot rolling mill. In cold rolling, cylindrical rolls are used. Roll surface must have a good quality finish and glue fluid with lubricant to make product with a fine finish. Defects, the cost of the metal to correct a factory during rolling are almost always associated with talking excess reduction during the rolling process. The most common defects is edge error, the transverse cracks and the edge of roll strip. Control of roll forming, also known as scalp forming, is done from sheet or strip into sheet with an early and from cross section. Rolling stock is with randomly dropped a series of roll stations with control rolls, sometimes called roller discs. Forging. In the basic form, forging consists of applying compressive stress to a piece of metal, now as the work progress between a pair of dies in order to permanently change in physical dimension or geometry. The forging and press forging are the two most general types of forging process. In drop, forging hammer is raised on the drop and until to the workpiece to the reform equilibrium on the shaft of the IDC used. Press forging works by steadily applying a continuous pressure of force, which differs from the nearest instantaneous impact of the hammer forging. Often the forging, sometimes known as Smith hammer and flat die forging, is process which the metal workpiece is not confined by dies. Often the forging is most commonly done in the hot working temperatures. Although often the forging of work flexible tiles workpiece can be done called of warp. The size of forging that can be produced in open dice is limited only by the capacity of the equipment available for reading, handling, and forging. Closed day forging, often referred to as impression day forging, in the saving of hot metal completely within the walls or cavities of two dice that come together to enclose the workpiece on all sides. By convention clause, the hammer forging refers to hot working, although the concept also applies to cold working methods such as coining or press forging. The forging material involves the design of the forging itself, as well as the details of the entire forging process. For example, in the picture below shows that owing in the plica's in forging nickel allows for types definition that aluminum allows. Defects can occur in closed forging from infrared metal flow. One example in the web forging with a form that is also in profiling, also known as rolling, in process of symmetry, reducing the cross-sectional area and change the shape of head bars, billets, or plates by passing them between to driven rolls the rod in opposite direction and have a warmer matching impression in itself. The basic effects of the roll forging process include continuous production of roll products with very short cycle time and high production rate, stable for mass production, improved grain flow, better surface finish, and breakdown of scale instead forgings, performance distribution, the safe material, reduce flash, increase day life, and reduce cost in subsequent finishing forging operation. Cranev's control arms, see the feature below, connecting and other automotive parts are typical products that are first from belts to perform a stock and then finish forging press. Radial forging, during radial forging, the material is worked between four dies that are arranged in one plane with the opposing dies connecting on the piece simultaneously in the picture below. Individual illustrates some examples of radial fork products. In preparation, radial forging is used to form axial symmetric solids or hulls with complex external and or internal contours. The offset forging is essentially a process used for annealing or restricting of the cross-sectional area of a bar or tube, or for increasing the turnout size compared to traditional open-ended forging. Cold forging, cold holding is cold forging process used to make a variety of small and medium-sized hardware items, such as butts and rivets. Coning in compression types, operation in which the addition are from pressed or hammered into the shafts of a workpiece. Coining is a closed die casing operation in which all shafts of rock are confined or stanced. It is also striking operation used to shafts or sense and a radius or travel. Drawing and instructions. Drawing instructions are based respectively on the following bulk and passing of section torque dice. In the drawing process, the cross-sectional area and or shape of the rod bar table wire is reduced by pulling instead die. The formation is accompanied by a combination of tensile and compressive size that created by the pulling force at the exit from the die and by the heat configuration in the feature below. Drawing is one of the oldest metaforming operation to make long products with excellent surface finishes closed controlled dimensions and contents cross sections where items are drawn in a similar manner. In the drawing, a possibly rolled, extruded, or fabricated fabrics is pulled through die relatively high speeds. In drawing steel or aluminum wire, for instance, extrudes greater than 100, 1000 mm more than 3000 FT or main air compressed. Extrusion is a difference A deformation process used to reduce long strike significant metals produced such as solid and hollow section stubs and strips. Pre-cycled and metals can be inserted without the capability of many alloys to be processed in the metal falls within an alloy range of process conditions that depend on a variety of application specific factors. Hot extraction technology provided based on ions can be worked in an extraction press, which is open and then for the extraction working the bed temperature stability can record to stand hardening dan deformation. Cold extraction in the process, metal scratch is called away cold and die filament or melting point and dramatic that three metals such as aluminum, tin, and lead are easily farming. Metal bar to plate and sheet are formed by various bending, stretching, and drawing operations. Bar and tip deform mainly by bending operations such as compression bending, stretch bending, draw bending, and roll bending. Spring back is a major factor in farming operation. As example, consider a simple bend in the picture below. This tensor stress is maximum at the outside surface of the band and decreases toward the center of the sheet thickness. The neutral axis has been stretched to falls below the elastic limit. The metal creates an axis bend on both sides of the neutral axis and shows in the picture below. The metal further away from the axis has been stirred by the slight strength, however, and has basically or parameter derived from methods to overcome or contract the effects of springback are overbending, bottoming or setting, stacks bending, bending of bar and tip. The power basic methods of bending bar and steps are compression bending, draw bending, stacks bending, or bending. In draw bending, the workers is come to fix forms and wipers to surface around the form to bend a workers in the picture below. Compression bend is the stretching of the outer surface of the bend that been draw bending. Draw bending is a preferred method for bending to tight ready with better dimensions control the compression bending. Stack bending is used for bending hydraulic columns. The workers is described at this end is bend. It is staircase or from in the picture below. One benefit of stack farming is the balance of the metal strength. The section rail bending is the 3 or more parallels in arrangement using 3 oars in the picture below. The axis of the two bottom rods are fixed on a horizontal plane to the top or bending rod is lower toward to the bend of the bottom rods to make the bend. The mechanism of the drawing conical or western individual below, which are the complexity of the process. Deep drawing involves many types of forces and deformation modes, such as tensions in the wall and the bottom, compression and debrication in the flanks, bending in the radius, and straightening in the wall. The concept of farming limits diagrams and shows the feature below strength condition of the left sides, where circles the south to left drawing condition, where the right sides were cut circles. These are like circles corresponds to strength condition when the meter stands 0 on plane strength condition and the failure will occur if the point is above the farming limit diagram of our sheet metal in the picture below. Spinning sheet metal or tapping can be converted into similar cones, MS pads, or other circular shapes by combination or rotation and force. Two methods are used: manual spinning and auto spinning. Typical shapes introduced are shown in the picture below. Other metallurgy, AFM is combination of metallurgy based on the production of materials from metal powders and manufacture of parts from this material. The most common methods of PM part production is to two-step process and further completed by pressing and definition by standing. This serves to as PM pressing and stirring. There are also other methods of further convection such as metal introduction, molding, and high temperature convection techniques such as static pressing and waterworking. The consumer method orders to higher density pricing of or equally than of rock products. After pricing of a grain compact, additional definitions is active based sintering. Then certain compact metal products are banned or standard by halting in reference to temperature that is usually below of the melting point. The Basel concerns fabrication of parts by PM methods is several techniques. They include producing parts with more uniform microstructure and distribution of alloying limits. High volume production of parts with net safe or net safe emission, but the tradition did not for mechanic. Flexibility in component design. Design flexibility with PM is quite remarkable in the production of with many layers, curves, and multiple level clearance symbol in the feature below. Material removal process. Material removal process of its mechanic in several class or secondary manufacturing operation used to achieve press tolerance and control surface finishes. There are the three basic classes of material removal operation: conventional mechanical operations, abrasive process, non-traditional mechanical process. In the non-traditional operations, material is removed by a variety of physical mechanisms, often an atomic scale with substantially less mechanability is also defined by time. Everything that is with which material can be mechanical. In most cases, to lose has or to live under typical conditions are the most significant particular constitution of mechanical precision. Mechanability varies most significantly between different materials classes or base chemistries. The common classes of metallic work materials, general order of difference mechanically include magnesium alloy, aluminum alloys, copper alloys, cast irons, nodular irons, carbon steels, alloy steels, stainless steels, hardened and high-glow steels, nickel-based separable alloys, titanium alloys. Example for typical surface integration problems encountered in metal removal operation include grinding runs of high-strength steel aircraft landing compartments, interprets importance in their rotors and steel components, grinding cuts in the section of cast nickel blades, gas damage packings, lowering of freight stain of parts, processed by electrical discussion of the components, residual stakes in ducts in mechanic and its effect of destruction fatigue and steel corrosions. Joining process. Joining involves use mechanical, chemical, or physical force to keep two parts together. Mechanical methods or various types of mechanical bonding will acid bonding use chemical bonding parts with some physical or mechanical factors. Physical methods of joining include welding, brazing, and soldering. The focus here by initially is only a overview on the wide-ranging technology of welding, brazing, and soldering. Welding is an ancient technology dating back to as early as 2000 before Christ. The two basic categories of modern day welding methods are precision welding, where the coarse metals are molded in the joint region of an alloy to result of a metal ribbon. Solid state welding, like fire welding, where the submitting without welding and mechanical force or the formation of a physical atomic bond in the metals are welding in all welding melting in the world is completed by application of intense heat from an electric arc. The arc is formed with a current rod and electrode in the case of manual stick welding feature below. The GPAOE process is well stated for welding the section in the feature below in fall of the evaluable big metals because it can be controlled at the very low employees to 2 to 5 employees recorded for best in techniques. The ZTAW process is typically success when the highest well quality is regular. The operator has excellent control. The of heat input and visibility is not limited by performance or smart from the process. Manual, semi-automatic technique, and automated methods are available, and how to uses the manual method in the feature below. Submarine or welding is a welding is a process where the welding is controlled by material solid by vacuum of granular visible flux in the feature below. The process also is cited for welded paint or overlaid with alloys materials. Typical applications include steel mine and paper placing rolls, pressure vessel plating, and harvesting work parts in feature below. In resident hospital welding causes vital surface and joined together in one or more spots. It is general based reasons to the flow of electrical current from the workers that are held together under the force of the electrodes. The connecting surface is heated in the feature below by a certain pulse of light for high temperature current to from a reverse nugget of a metal. Resistance James welding consists of the series of overlapping subwells. The joint is normally glassing in or regular seams wells or bridged by rotating in lateral whereas the transient current to lower metal in the feature below. Projection welding is a fashion or LW in which current flows in contact and the points of contact or precision between the parts being welded in feature below. This extension or prediction are used the construct the generation. So style welding, not all welding is done by fashion with melting, smashing, and solidification fashion and of the metals by joining. The various methods of the solid-state welding operation in different programs of process time deformation interval. The relative degree of time deformation interval is listed in the feature below for various solid-state welding methods. Friction welding includes several phases: rotary friction welding, friction surface friction steel welding. Brazing and soldering, like welding, both brazing and soldering also from primary bonds in metallic bonds. Brazing involves joining source metal in close proximity by introducing a liquid metal that melts above 450 Celsius or 840 Fahrenheit. Soldering, like brazing, disrupts material segment solids. During soldering and the metal solder discretes itself between the probable fatty surface of the joint by coupling action. Okay, that's all the material I can convey. Thank you. Om Santi Santi Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom Namo Buddhaya. Salam kebajikan.